Are round tables the shape of your house? Hello friends, today we will get to know, are round tables the shape of your house? The ever-present question of the myriad of table shapes circulates the mind of those searching for furniture. It can be difficult to know whether rectangular, oval, square, or round tables are the best fit for your home. Each brings its own element of design aesthetic and function with pros and cons. Even when designing a custom table, you still need to know what direction you want to go. Instead of taking the overwhelming approach and discussing all 4 table shapes, we're going to focus on round tables. It is across the board, no matter the table shape, there are a few measurements to follow that allow for the highest level of comfort in the space. It's important to make sure guests are not crowded. As a comfortable minimum, allow at least 30 to 36 inches for clearance, whether it be for a wall or piece of furniture. High traffic areas will require more room, 48 to 60 inches depending on flow and comfort. There is a bit of wiggle room depending on the chair size that is used for the table and desired level of comfort. Pros of round tables. To start, round tables are known for their flexibility in seating. It's easier to cram loads of people around the table. Unlike the traditional rectangular 4-leg table, there's nothing to maneuver around. Unexpected dinner guests show up? No problem. Scooch over. Another selling point for selecting a round table is that they are great for square areas. The flow of a round allows for easy movement around the space due to its lack of corners. Even better, if you have a household with smaller children, no sharp edges, fewer injuries. If you're looking for a more personal dining experience, conversation flows more easily as all who are seated face one another and more are included. Cons of round tables. The biggest con to a round table is that they are the least efficient when compared to other table shapes as far as seating goes. To solve this dilemma, there's always the option to add drop-in or perimeter leaves. This, in turn, adds more seating and alleviates the problem. Adding to this, an extra large round creates dead space in the center. As a result of the extra space, it makes it difficult to reach food. A lazy Susan can help remedy one of these 2 cons. This leads us to room shape. The best shape room for a round is a large square-like setup. If your room takes a different form, other tables may best suit your needs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.